I'm Amy from Star Splendor, and I'm here with Sarah from Sis Handmade for Weave Along the Chakras. Today we're going to work with the ideas around the Manipura chakra, which is the solar plexus chakra. It's the seat of the fire in the body, and it's located just a couple inches above the navel. So it's really in the area of the stomach, which makes very good sense because it does help regulate our digestion. If you've ever heard it said that the stomach is the second heart, this is kind of where that idea comes from. Sometimes we feel our emotions in the solar plexus, and it can disrupt our digestion. And sometimes these emotions that come up are even unconscious ones. So sometimes the stomach is what shows us that we're feeling upset before we even know we're upset. And that's how the solar plexus works to regulate our emotions in our body. So the key idea for the solar plexus is regulation of emotion and personal will. The stone that goes with this chakra is the citrine. So the citrine is a beautiful golden yellow stone. It's a type of quartz. It's pretty popular. I love this stone. It's a really great stone to work with for this chakra and also for the sacral chakra. And indeed, it does link up and purify both all three of the root, the sacral, and the solar plexus chakras. So when the solar plexus chakra is not balanced, if it's feeling blocked, we might feel a loss of control and a loss of confidence. When it's overstimulated, we can feel resentful and hostile because we're not able to enact our will. We feel blocked in some way, even though it's very much an internal sense. If it's flowing freely, we are able to manifest and express our personal will very freely, and we feel dynamic and energized and enthusiastic. So I said that the citrine links up the root, the sacral, and the solar plexus chakras. It also helps to bring mental clarity. It clarifies our thoughts and helps us to get clear about decisions we need to make. It fuels and purifies our personal will, and it helps us to manifest the things that we desire and that we need in very tangible ways around us. So it's a really great stone to work with when we need a little fortitude and we need to push through difficult times in our lives. So today we're going to work on the meditation for the Manipura chakra, working with the citrine stone that corresponds with this part of the project. So we'll begin by finding a comfortable seat so that we can have a straight spine. So you can either sit in a chair with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle and your feet planted on the floor. It's very important. Or you can sit in asana. So I like the cross-legged posture with your hips supported by either a blanket or a pillow so that your knees and your ankles are in contact with the floor. You want to maintain a straight spine for this practice, so you don't want to be uncomfortable and tense, so just find a position that feels good to you. So we're going to begin by closing the eyes softly. You can even just soften your gaze as long as you don't focus on anything in the room and allow yourself to relax. So closing or softening the eyes. We're going to take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth, filling the belly and emptying it completely. When you do the exhale, you can even allow a little sound to escape if it makes you feel better. So these are deep cleansing breaths. So in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. Now allow your breath to just soften and become natural. Now you're going to pick up your stone and you want to place it in your hands in such a way that both hands are in contact with it. So It does not matter which hand is on top and which is on the bottom, as long as both are in touch with the stone. And as long as you can keep a straight spine and relax your shoulders. So, holding your stone, we're going to begin to say hello to it and allow it to say hello back to us. We're going to set our intention for the work we're going to do. So, reconnect with your breath and check your posture so that your spine is straight. You're going to allow yourself to feel like your feet and your ankles are sinking into the floor. And at the same time, the crown of your head is pulling upward. So the spine feels like it's stretched along a thread. It's not tense, but it's long. Find an easy, comfortable breath. You're gonna lift and drop your shoulders back on your back. Relax them. Relax your belly and let it soften. Relax the hips. Relax the knees and the calves. Relax the feet and the ankles. Now from your heart center, allow a feeling of openness and radiance. Send some love and compassion from your heart center through your arms down to the stone. You want to feel a current of love and affection passes down your arms, your elbows, through your wrists, and into your hands. Take note of any sensations, physical. What things are coming up for you? Just take note of them. Keep sending that love down into the stone until you start to feel like it's waking up. You're cleansing and activating the stone with your own love and energy. And now we're going to set an intention for the work that we're going to be doing. At my core, I feel the warmth of the inner sun, and it radiates outward and expresses itself in my relationships, my work, and my life. At my core, I feel the warmth of my inner sun, and it radiates outward and expresses itself in my relationships, my work, and my life. Sit with that intention. Continue to send that love into that stone. till you feel like something has changed. Maybe you'll feel some vibration, some heat, some tingling. Maybe the stone will simply feel heavier or lighter in your hands. Those are all signs that it's woken up. When you feel them, you can thank your stone, you can open your eyes and return to the room. And now you have a new friend to work with.